Another day, another food trip. Nag-crave ang beses nyo ng pasta today, but instead na kumain sa labas, tayo na lang ang magluluto. Kaya tara at gawa tayo ng baked rigatoni. For our ingredients, we need different kinds of tomato sauce, mozzarella, mushrooms, ground pork, onion and garlic, cheddar and sweet milk cheese para pang toppings, and ang pasta na gagamitin natin ay of course rigatoni. I am not an expert cook pala mga best, kaya itong gagawin ko, more on tansya lang. First, let's strip yung ground pork muna with a little oil lang. Tanggalin sa pan, and isunod yung garlic and onion. With ibalik yung ground pork, add the mushroom and tomato sauce, season with pepper and a teaspoon of sugar. Depende na lang yan sa panlasa niya. Add grated cheese if bet nyo ng mas pili pa. Cook for a few minutes. Then, pag ready na ang sauce and pasta, just put a layer of sauce on the baking dish. Then add the rest of the pasta with sauce na. At para mas lalo pang sumarap ang ating pasta, I added grated cheddar and mozzarella cheese on top. Then bake until mag-melt yung cheese. And tada! Here's my baked rigatoni. Mga tayon! And shout out pala sa ating follower na si @BiteTayo7055 on YouTube. Sana mapanood mo tong video natin. Yun lang for today. Follow or subscribe. Agyaman at launay. Bye!